So here's number one. So what you need to do is not stress yourself out that they're already in multiple choice. Just start with A, and I would go ahead and line them up. So it's 17/8. And what is 17/8? All right, well, you just go to your Desmos or your calculator and you put 17 divided by 8. And that is 2.125. By the way, we always want to go 3 decimal places. All right, so got that one. Next one is pi. So pi, there's literally a pi button. 3.141. Okay, got pi done. Now we have negative 2.5%. Remember, we want to turn them into a decimal. So for negative 2.5%, to turn it into a decimal, we double dip twice to the left. Fill in that 0. So it's negative 0.025. Then we have 3.5. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 zeros because I went 3 decimal places. And last but not least, we have 4.5 times 10 to the negative third. All right, so I start with the 4.5. That negative 3 means I go left 3 as your decimal. Fill in your loop-de-loops. So this is 0.004, and I'm going to put the 5 there, but honestly, we're good to stay at the 4. All right, so now I want to go least to greatest. So the first thing I'm going to look at is the whole number. Okay, so the smallest whole number that I see in the highlighted in the green is 0. But I also have, looky here, this negative. So negatives are smaller than positives. So I know that negative 2.5% is my smallest number. Okay, that's my smallest number. That's going to be the first one. Go ahead and cross it off. Now let's go back to look at our answer choices. We know the first number has to be negative 2.5. Therefore, A is out and B is out. All right. From there, I'm still looking at my whole numbers, and I've got a 2, 3, a 3, and a 0. Once again, I'm looking at that highlighted yellow. 0 is the smallest, which would be the 4.5 times 10 to the negative third. So now that one is out. If I check C and D, both of them have the 4.5 times 10 to the negative third. Next. All right, I'm still looking at the highlighted yellow. I've got 2, 3, and 3. 2 is smaller, therefore my next one would be 17/8. Check it out. It is 17/8. And so really now it's down to, is pi smaller than 3.14? Well, now we're going to go to the next line, which would be, oops, sorry, we forgot to, on this one, cross it out. So we're looking at 1 and 5. So what is smaller, 1 or 5? 1 is smaller. Therefore, pi would be next. And that leaves you with 3.5 at the end. So my answer would be C.